When to use Paddle Dashboard is a crucial decision that depends on your business needs and goals. Paddle is a powerful tool that provides a comprehensive platform for managing and optimizing your business operations. To determine when to use Paddle Dashboard, let's first understand its key features and benefits. Paddle offers a range of tools and services, including subscription management, payment processing, and analytics. It provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily track and manage your customers' orders and revenue. The Paddle Dashboard is ideal for businesses that need to manage complex subscription models, handle large volumes of transactions, and require detailed analytics and insights. It is particularly useful for software as a service companies, e-commerce businesses, and digital marketplaces. One of the primary use cases for Paddle Dashboard is when you need to manage recurring revenue streams if your business relies on subscription-based models. Paddle provides a robust platform for handling subscription plans, trials, and upgrades. It also offers features such as automated billing, invoicing, and revenue recognition. Another key scenario where Paddle Dashboard is useful is when you need to optimize your payment processing operations. Paddle supports multiple payment gateways, currencies, and languages, making it an ideal solution for businesses that operate globally. It also provides advanced security features, such as fraud detection and prevention, to minimize the risk of chargebacks and disputes. In addition to subscription management and payment processing, Paddle Dashboard offers advanced analytics and reporting capabilities. It provides real-time insights into your business performance, including customer acquisition costs, retention rates, and revenue growth. This data can be used to inform product development, marketing strategies, and customer success initiatives. To get the most out of Paddle Dashboard, it's essential to follow best practices such as setting up clear and concise subscription plans, configuring automated billing and invoicing, and monitoring analytics and insights regularly. You should also ensure that your team is trained on how to use the platform effectively and that you have a clear understanding of your business needs and goals. In conclusion, Paddle Dashboard is a powerful tool that can help businesses manage and optimize their operations. It is particularly useful for companies that need to manage complex subscription models, handle large volumes of transactions, and require detailed analytics and insights. By understanding the key features and benefits of Paddle and following best practices, you can unlock the full potential of the platform and drive business growth and success.